Celine Supplé Small Triumph tan color. Comes with dust bag, care booklet, and then the pouch. Yung pouch niya, leather pouch, it's removable. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Makinis. It's the front of the bag. Ang ganda ng weave. Ayan, Celine logo. Tapos, this is the side. There. Likod. Ayan. And then, the other side. Ang ganda nito. Bottom of the bag. Tapos, lahat ng corners nito maganda. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Corners nito maganda. Tapos, yung lips, walang crack sa lips. There. Tapos, yung handles, okay din yung
ang ganda ng logo niya.
Oo. And then, loob ng bag.
Andito yung
Ayan. Yung
leather logo.
leather logo at saka yung date code. Ayan. Ganda.